Okay, today I made these two Lego butterfly knives, and it's my first time making these, so they're pretty bad, but I just copied a YouTube tutorial off of them. And yeah, and I don't know how to do tricks, so what I normally do is just flip that, then just all of that. And this one is bigger than this one. Like, you can obviously see how much bigger this one is than this one. But yeah, so there's a trick that I'm trying to do is like I flip this and catch with my index, then flip it back and catch with my thumb, then just do that. And I'll show you with the small one now. So here's a small one, right? And then I'll show you with this one. It's a bit hard to get your fingers in the right place at the right time, but overall they're pretty fun if you like know how to use them and stuff. And these can be good for like school, but not in the classrooms because they're loud, like really loud. And then the big one. And yeah. So just write these down in the comments.